Hi, this is Karen with WTI. When I found these Badgley Mischka pump shoes, I instantly fell in love with them. I knew they were perfect for the special occasions that I had. The quality of the crystals are just amazing. This pair became my go-to shoes whenever I want to be dressed up for a wedding, for a night, a cocktail dress, when I want to feel comfortable, but at the same time, very elegant. So that makes them not just a pair of shoes, but an statement. And these little girls, they don't go out only during the nighttime. They also like daylight. Yes, they know they can sparkle. And they're perfect to go with those flowy dresses for summer wedding days when you want to feel elegant but ready to dance. The craftsmanship is impeccable, from the stitching to the material, which is really breathable, and that helps whenever it's really summer, is really hot, and you don't want your feel to be uncomfortable. And that's our point of view.